Seeing the couldn't connect to the internet, switch to another network and try again error on TikTok? It's frustrating when nothing loads and you can't use the app properly. While it might seem like a Wi-Fi issue, the actual fix is often much easier. Let's sort it out right now with a few simple steps. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any spaces. Tap on the first link, then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now search TikTok. Next, tap TikTok from here. Then scroll down. Here you can see whether the official TikTok app is down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Clear TikTok's cache and data. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now restart your iPhone and open the TikTok app again. I hope your problem is fixed now. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.